Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your profile background in League of Legends. First of all, when you are in the home, for example, you have to go for your profile, then switch to the overview and go for the gear icon to set profile background. Right now you can find here all champs and all skins that you have on your account. For example, I would like to switch for this Project Vi skin, so select with the left mouse button and click save. As you can see, our profile picture, profile background picture has changed. When you open the settings one more time, you can also select, for example, the champion, set or tier. And right now when you go with the tier, at the top you will find the most expensive skins that you have on your account. So when we switch to the Gun Goddess Misfortune, as you can see, this background is animated. It's the same for the Ezreal. And I guess it's only for the ultimate skins that you have on your account. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.